Hello, what's up guys? My name is Gazanfar. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can install WordPress locally into your laptop or computer using a software called Bitnami. So if you want to learn that how you can install the WordPress locally in your computer without the need of hosting, then let's get started. So the first thing that you will have to do is to go to google.com, and once you are on Google, search for Bitnami WordPress. And once you will search for Bitnami WordPress, the very first website that you will see will be bitnami.com. Click on that, and then from here you will have to click on my computer. So choose Windows, Mac or Linux depending upon the operating system that you are using. So in my case I'm using Windows, so I'll choose Windows, Mac, Linux. And from here you can see it is asking download for Windows 64-bit. So I have 64-bit Windows operating system. I'll click on this download button and it will ask you for these login details. If you don't want to fill this out, simply click on no thanks, just take me to the download. So I'll click on there, and now here you can see it has already started downloading there. So I'll wait until it will get downloaded. So now as you can see that this has been downloaded, so what I'll do is to simply click on this so that this package should open. See, it is asking for me to allow this, so I'll click on yes here, and now it will ask you to select the language. I'll choose English, and then here you have the setup wizard. So what you will have to do is to simply click on next button here, and then you will have to select the component as phpMyAdmin, and then next it will ask you for the folder. Just choose whatever it's saying. If you want to change the directory, simply click on this thing, and then you will be allowed to choose any of the directory within your hard drive. So I'll click next button here, and there is the important thing. So you'll have to type in these details, and these details you can use later to sign in to your WordPress dashboard. So what I want to do is to create a new file, and I'll name it as WordPress details for Bitnami. I'll open this, and then in here you can see it is asking for your real name. So I'll type in my name as Gazanfar, and then it is asking for email address. So I'll type in the email address, and then it is asking for the login. So for the login, instead of user, I'll type in admin, and here you will have to type in your password. So what I'll do is to simply copy these details into the notepad that I have created. Alright, so what I'll do next is to click this next button here. It's saying my password is not very secure, so I'll have to use only alphanumeric character. Alright, so here you will type in the website name. So I'll type in my awesome website, and then I'll hit next, and then it is asking you that this is required so your application can send notifications via email. If you want to enable the SMTP for now, you can enable this, but I think since you are using it locally, you do not need the SMTP services. So simply click next here, and then it is asking you to deploy the WordPress to the cloud in one click. Simply click next button here. It's saying ready to install. Click next, and it will start installing there. So we'll have to wait until it will get installed. It may take some time because there are many files there in the WordPress installation, so we'll wait until it will get installed. Then at this stage it will ask you to allow the access, so simply allow this access. All right, so here you can see that the Bitnami has been installed successfully. So the next thing what you have to do is to simply click on this finish. Make sure you have checkmarked this launch WordPress package by Bitnami. Alright, so once you will hit finish, it will show you these options. Make sure they are running, and from here click on this access WordPress, and here you can see the WordPress has been loaded successfully. In order to log into the WordPress dashboard, what you will have to do is to simply type in wp-admin there, and here is your admin dashboard. What I want to do is to make sure I use the correct username and password that I have used while installing the WordPress installation using Bitnami. So I'll simply type in my password here and I'll hit login. And here you can see here is our dashboard for login. Make sure you save this URL so that you can use this URL for the later uses, so that you don't forget this URL. So I'll add this URL in my notepad so that I can use it later. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have learned something new from this video, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also make sure you hit the bell icon so that you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video on channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.